Artificial intelligence is the branch of computer science concerned with making computers behave like humans. So we have to make the computers behave like humans. That is called artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is defined like this: the study and design of intelligent agents. We have to make intelligent agents. So what is intelligent agent? Intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environment and takes actions which maximize its chances of success. So what is agent? It is a system. It will receive the information from its environment, and from the information whatever it is received, it able to take the actions, and such that the actions it is making such that the chances of success is more. Okay. So the artificial intelligence first introduced by John McCarthy in the year 1956, and he has defined artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Okay, so we have to make intelligent computer programs. That is nothing but artificial intelligence. This is the name introduced by John McCarthy in the year 1956. Okay, and the AI is the study how to make the computer do things in which at the moment people are doing better. Okay, and AI is defined in four categories. The first one is the system that think like humans, the systems that act like humans, the systems that think rationally, the systems that act rationally. Like this, the AI is grouped into four parts. Okay, the definition of AI will be grouped into four parts like this. So here, in the first case, what is that? The system that think like human. When do you say the system think like human? So if the missions with the minds, okay, if the mission is having with the mind such that it think like human, then we say that the system is thinking like human. So this is the definition given by Husland in the year 1985. Okay. Similarly, the system, when you say the system act like human, so it is the art of creating missions that perform functions that require intelligence when performed by the people. Okay. So for example, if you are performing any function, if the function is performed by human, it requires intelligence. Okay. So if that function is performed by the machines means what? The machines will also have some intelligence. Okay. So this is the definition given by Kurzweil in the year 1990. And similarly, when you say the system that think rationally, so here we have to design the system such that it will be having the function similar to our mind function. Okay. So the study of mental faculties through the use of computational models. So we are just studying how human mind is working, through which we are designing the systems. Okay. So this is the definition given by Charmanaik and McDermott in the year 1985. Okay. And similarly, the system act rationally. When you say the system act rationally, it is the computational intelligence is the study of design of intelligent agents. Okay. So we have to computational intelligence. It is the study and design of intelligent agents. We are able to we design the intelligent agents. Okay, so this is the definition given by Pule in the year 1998. Okay, these are the different definitions under four categories. Okay, so we have discussed that there are four categories, no? So what are the four categories? The four categories is divided like this: human like intelligence, rationally means the systems are working perfectly. Okay, and here we are having two categories like think and act. Okay, so we have discussed that there are four categories. What are that? The systems that think like humans. So it is thinking like human. So think, no, that is why here we have think. So the systems that think rationally. So it is thinking perfectly. Okay, and here the system behave like humans. See here how it is acting like human. Okay, that is why it comes under this category. And here the systems that behave rationally. So we have different approaches under these conditions. Okay, so when you say that the system think like humans, So to discuss about this, we have cognitive science approach. Okay. And the systems that think rationally. To discuss about this, we have laws of thought approach. And the systems that behave like humans. To discuss about this, we have Turing test approach. And the systems that behave rationally. For this, we have rational agent approach. Okay, these are the different approaches under these categories. Okay. And we have discussed what is cognitive science approach. The cognitive science approach is that here we are we are designing the model such that the model is having the model of human mind. Okay, how human mind is thinking. So for that we are designing a model that is called cognitive science approach. Okay, and what is here, we will be having some logic. Okay, depending on some logic, this machine will be giving some output. Okay, so that is why this is called laws of thought approach. Depending on logic, it will be giving the result. And here, when do you say the system is acting like human? For that, we have Turing test. What is Turing test? Here, the computer will be asked the questions by the human interrogator, and the computer is giving the response such that the human interrogator could not able to identify whether the response is getting from human or machine. Okay, so if the machine is giving answers like that, then we say that the system is having some intelligence. This type of test is called Turing test. If the machine passes this Turing test, we say that the machine is having the intelligence. Okay, and we have the system that behave rationally. So here we are designing rational agents. Using that, we are obtaining that the systems that behave rationally. These are the four approaches we have to define the machines in these four definitions. Okay. So the same thing, the approach of AI is given like this. The same thing is defined here. So rationality, I told you what is rationality, is nothing but ideal performance. Okay, and it is human-like performance. Here, the systems are reasoning like humans. Okay, so these are we have discussed just now, cognitive science approach, and it is depending on logic, and here it is depending on Turing test. Here it is depending on rational agents. Okay.